Hello everyone, I am back with the new video. In this video, I will cover 100 most important current affairs for various upcoming Delhi board exam and Punjab and Haryana High Court clerical exam and other various exam. And without wasting much time, let's start with our first question. India's indigenous beyond visual range BVR, which is air-to-air missile integrated by Hall on aircraft name is Su-30 MKI, was launched from Odisha and the name of missile is Astra. Satellites of which of the following countries have been launched by using ISRO's PSLV C-29 and the name of country is Singapore. Hina Sindhu claimed gold medal in air pistol event at Commonwealth Shooting Championships in Brisbane, and the air pistol name 10-meter range. This country became the world's first country to grant citizenship to a robot, and the name of country is Saudi Arabia. Name the IIT that developed new tech to make cheaper pollution-free biofuel, and the name of IIT is IIT Kharagpur. Recently, which city police has launched bicycle patrols for better policing? Name the city जिसने अभी न्यू bicycle patrol launch किया है, and the name of city is Delhi NCR. India's heaviest rocket with satellite launched into space, and the name of rocket GSAT-19. Which country recently test fired the Intercontinental Ballistic Missile ICBM, and the name of country USA, United States of America. This state launched solar briefcase to provide electricity in remote areas. Uttarakhand state government and charitable funding agency named Swan Culture Center, they collaborate and launch solar briefcase in Kedarnath Dham. With which country IIT Kharagpur signed MOU for Digital Academy? IIT Kharagpur signed MOU with Samsung India for setting up Digital Academy on the institute campus. Supreme Court banned firecrackers for Diwali, and the name of city Delhi NCR, and it banned till 31st October 2017. Indian President Ramnath Kovind made his first foreign trip for which of the following African countries, and the name of country Ethiopia. Dash inaugurated by President Ramnath Kovind in New Delhi, and our President Ramnath Kovind will inaugurate Water Week 2017 on October 10, 2017 in the presence of Union Minister of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Renovation, Nitin Gadkari. This state implemented the SCHIS, and the full form of is a Senior Citizen Health Insurance Scheme, and the scheme launched by Himachal Pradesh government in Shimla. Which state has become the India's first state to incorporate skill development program in higher education, and the name of state is Rajasthan? Who of the following is appointed as a new governor of Assam, and Jagdish Mukhi sworn as new governor of Assam? What is the theme of third International Conference on Yoga? And the theme is International Conference on Yoga for Wellness, and inaugurated at Pravasi Bharati Kendriya, Chanakpuri, New Delhi. This country topped in 2017 Global Financial Center Index, and the country name is London. Who is awarded with badminton's first lifetime award, and the name of legend Prakash Padukone. What is the new age limit of National Pension Scheme NPS upper age? And the new upper age is 65 years, and the current one is 60. Which city will host BWF Senior Badminton World Championship? And the city is Bengaluru. And sorry, the city is Kochi. Which company appeared in Fortune's annual list of the top 50 companies that are changing the world? And the name of companies TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Halima Yacob is the first female president of, and she is the first female president of Singapore. Who ties with the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC and the payment gateway provider PayU tie up with the IRCTC? Which day is celebrated across the country on September 14 every year? We all know Hindi Divas, Hindi Day. This bank became the second most valuable company in BSE in India, and the name of bank is HDFC. Which of the following city will host 36 national games? And the name of city is Goa. Indian Railway permits Dash as ID proof for travelers recently. M-Aadhaar is the mobile app launched by UDI on which a person can download his or her Aadhaar card. Which service did the Google plan to launch soon? And the name of services is Mobile Payment Service. What is the position of India on Global Human Capital Index 2017? And the position of India is 103. President Ramnath Kovind has launched a nationwide campaign Swachhta Hi Seva from which city? And the city name is Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Who became the first Indian to lift the Korean Open Super Series title? And the name of first Indian? PV Sindhu. The theme of 2017's Engineer Day is, and it is celebrated on 15 September every year by engineer community, and the theme of this day is skill development for engineers to reform to core sector vision 2025. Which dam was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? And the name of dam is Sardar Sarovar Dam. With which country Indian Army began Yudh Abhyas 2017 military exercise, and it is between India and US, and it is held at Washington. Who won Singapore Grand Prix recently? Very important, and it is won by Lewis Hamilton. And Mercedes British Formula 1 driver Lewis Hamilton registered his 60th career win at Singapore Grand Prix. To which refugees Government of India has granted citizenship recently? Chakma Hajong refugees. Which country Postal Department released postage stamps on yoga? Expert Mr. Vishnu Charan Ghosh. And the name of country is Japan. Japanese Postal Department released postage stamp on yoga expert Mr. Vishnu Charan Ghosh and his family members in Kolkata. Who became the first batsman to hit 100 sixes in T20 international match? Very common name, Chris Gill. Who is appointed as new Director General of Indian Investigation Agency, and the name of he is a senior IPS officer, and his name is YC Modi. Akshay Kumar being appointed as a brand ambassador of, and he appointed as a brand ambassador of Swachh Bharat Mission in the state of Uttarakhand, and the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Which country to conduct the first Bismarck Disaster Management Exercise 2017 from October 10 to 13? And the name of country is conducted by in Delhi, and the name of country is India. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is nominated for, and he is nominated for Padma Bhushan, which is the third highest civilian award, and it is nominated by BCCI. The theme of 2017 International Day for Preservation of the Ozone Layer is, and the theme is caring for all life under the sun. Which country will host the 8th edition of FIFA Women's World Cup in 2019? And the country is France. PV Sindhu ranked dash in the latest BWF Women's Single ranking, and he ranked second. Panda Kangaroo 2017 is a joint military training exercise between China and Australia. Who was the first Indian woman ambassador to encourage Indians to visit the country? And she is Pariniti Chopra. Australia has robbed in Bollywood actress Pariniti Chopra to be its first Indian woman ambassador to encourage Indians to visit the country. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu launched Diksha Portal 2, and it is launched for teachers and launched on Teachers Day. Thank you everyone. Please do subscribe, like my videos.